Hi, I'm Ray. Today I'm looking at my fuchsias and we're looking at taking some cuttings. So cuttings can be taken late in the summer, June, July, August, and I'm loving the fuchsias. These have been overwintered last year and I put them in this pot and they're excellent for containers and for the borders. So I've got a selection in the borders and in the pots. Some are doing well, some are not. They need to be kept out of direct sun, which is one of my problems. But today I'm going to take some cuttings and we can regrow some of these on. So I'm looking at my fuchsia and I'm looking for a stem that's not got any buds. If it does have buds, we could just pinch the buds out. So I'm looking at this one. It's looking quite nice. So we're looking for about 7 centimeters long, and I'm going to take my snips and we're just going to snip down to the lowest bud leaf node, and we snip, and there we go. So we've got quite a nice piece for cutting here. So I'm going to remove the bottom leaves, just tearing them away, and I'm going to remove this one and the little buds. I'm just going to remove that top leaf there, and then I'm going to get my snips and I'm going to cut right under the bud, the leaf node, just like that, and that gives our lovely cutting. Just going to remove that little flower, that little leaf. So we've got a little pot, and this has got some compost in, and it's been watered, and it's ideal for our cutting. We've got a pencil. We're just going to poke the pencil down the side of the pot, as the cuttings do prefer it down the side. And I'm just going to place the cutting in, press it gently. We're just going to take another one, same procedure, remove the leaves and cut this one by the leaf node. Remove that leaf. I don't want too many leaves on there. And I'm going to remove the flower bud. There's 2 little buds in that one. Remove all those. And there we go. Put this one in the side. Press it in. And there we go. We take our plastic bag, and this is going to go over the top, and this is going to create a little propagator, a mini greenhouse, and it's going to keep the moisture in and stop the water from evaporating. So this can sit into the greenhouse or on a windowsill away from direct sun, and within 2 to 3 weeks each seedling can be replanted into its own pot. There we go. Don't forget a label, and that's grand. You can add elastic band around the pot to keep it there. That's going to go and sit into the greenhouse and propagate. We get some nice more cuttings of these lovely fuchsias. So there we go, quick and easy. Nice way to take some cuttings and get some extra plants for free. So let me know in the comments, have you grown any fuchsias this year? And what variety have you got? I love the lovely colours, they're so nice, so pretty. And check out my other video of how to deadhead the fuchsias and how to grow them from seed. And I'll add a link in the description and above. So leave me a comment, that'd be wonderful. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.